Okay, got this USB docking station MOKIN. We've got power adapter, and I forget what the rating is on the power. There's 150 watts. Let me double check. It's probably in the instructions, but it was, I think, plenty for what I have. So I have a personal laptop. I have a work laptop that I sometimes just like to put in there on the um, TV and sit in a comfy chair and do some stuff. So this gives me that flexibility, and maybe I can get the cables out of here. I don't know, maybe not. There we go. So USB-C, USB-C, pretty good length on that. And there we go. Oh, so we got and USB-A to USB-C. So, so on off, which my old one didn't have an on off. It just was always on. So USB-C, micro SD. This is going to be handy for me. I do a lot of 3D printing, so I'm always throwing cards in and out. And now I don't need a adapter or whatever. Plug it into the laptop. I can go directly in here. Headphone speaker. So we have USB 3.1 and two USB 3.0 on this side, I believe. So let's see, for extending monitor, you need a DisplayLink. Okay. DisplayLink Manager app. Okay. Well, I'm not really planning to extend the monitor. I just want to have whatever the screen would be displaying going up on the TV. And this is really taped on well, or I'm just really not good at getting it off. So okay, we'll come back to this. There we go. Okay. So label. Size. Let me get to that before I hit the other side there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Touch over 7 inches that way. 1, 2, 3, and a little under 3.5 that way. Thickness about 1.25 inches. So some non-slip little grippy things down here on the bottom. Got their model number, all that good stuff on there. Okay, so there, the back we didn't look at. So we got DisplayLink 1 and 2. So it looks like we got DisplayPort and HDMI, and really likely only have one of those going in right now, but we've got some regular USB for keyboard, so 2 of those, and then the input from the computer. So USB-C to that. Plug in Ethernet if you happen to use that. I don't. So these are all available for your peripherals. So are these. So this should power us to the computer. So pretty good length for that. And anything else you need to go? Also, okay, right, USB-C to any other kind of device that you need as well, or you can use this to go there. So, user guide should, I would assume, be pretty straightforward, hooking all these things in, obviously, like they make sense here. How do you get the display link manager app, which I'm, again, probably unlikely to use, and some FAQs on here. I guess if you're having troubleshooting, I was looking for specs on the power supply. 120 watt. There we go. Which probably says on the bottom, would be my guess. But yep, 120 watt. So there you go. 20 volt, roughly 6 amp. So there you go. Looks like we'll have a power little LED there, little tiny non-slippy kind of things here. So I'm looking forward to replacing the old guy with this. And yeah, let me add a little photo or two or short video once I get it hooked up and add any other comments to it once I figure that out.